Hello, 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 Ange here. I am back with another video. In this video, I'm unboxing my Zepbound. I just got it a couple days ago, and tomorrow will be my first time taking it. So I wanted to share with you my journey. For those of you who are joining for the very first time, I'm Angela. I am on a weight loss journey, and I have been prescribed Zepbound. And so this channel, this YouTube channel, is all about my journey with Zepbound. You can feel free to ask any questions. I'm hoping that this channel will be of service to people who are considering taking weight loss medication. If you saw my first video, you know that I've pretty much done it all. I've had the lap band, I've had gastric bypass surgery, and I'm just under 300 pounds. So um, I have a whole medical team that is here to support me, who have made it very clear that obesity is a disease and that this is a drug that they wanted me to try. So I am unboxing it. Actually got it from CVS, which is my pharmacy. For many of you who may have been prescribed Wegovy, I was also prescribed Wegovy, but nobody could find it, right? You weren't able to find it. So this is what it looks like in the box when you get it. It should be kept refrigerated. They do say that if you're traveling, you can, once you take it out of the refrigerator, can be okay for, I want to say 30 days, but don't quote me on that. I am not a doctor. This is just one girl's journey that I want to share with you. When I open the box, this is what it looks like. So I'm seeing all of this for the first time with you. I'm going to take it out and see what they gave me here. They have instructions here on how to take it. My doctor also sent me instructions and videos. I have an amazing team here. And this is what the Wegovy looks like. I don't know if it's the right way or if it's backwards on the screen, but that's what it looks like. This is where the needle is kept. You can see the little bubbles here, so you can see the liquid here. That will be the that's where the medicine is. And I'll figure out how to do. I'm sure it's very similar to the Ozempic, but this is what it comes in, and I believe this is a month supply. So in the box there are four pens, right? So I'll take one a week. I'll take mine. Today is Wednesday. I'll start tomorrow, so I'll take it every Thursday. One of these. And I'm assuming that this is the full shot. So with other injectables, you have a lot of medicine in here, and you take whatever the doctor prescribes. You turn a dial, and you do that. With this one, it looks like you lock and unlock it. So I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow. But yes, these are my supplies, and then it looks like in my video yesterday, I said my doctor is starting me at um, 2.5 milligrams, but she actually started me at 5 milligrams. Normally, you titrate up starting from the very lowest one, but I'm assuming that my doctor prescribed the 5 for me because I was able to tolerate the Ozempic just fine, as well as the Saxenda. So for those of you who haven't seen the first video, I was on Ozempic, and then the laws changed that Ozempic is only for type 2 diabetics. I am not type 2 diabetic. I am a pre-diabetic, but I'm not a type 2 diabetic, so we can no longer get that, which is, rightfully so. You want to make sure people who have diabetes can get the medication, and as many of you know, it's been very hard for people to actually get the medications. And Wegovy is the weight loss version of Ozempic, right? It's FDA approved specifically for weight loss. Now Wegovy, I was prescribed that back in August. It is now February, and I can't get it. Tried every pharmacy. They even have recordings saying if you're calling for Wegovy, we don't have it. Right? It's back ordered, and I think it had to do with the pens. But anyway, Zepbound would be comparable to a Wegovy, with the exception that they're a little bit different. And maybe on another video I will talk about the differences between them. But I just wanted to unbox it with all of you and show you what it looked like. It's this pen. If it's anything like the other injectables, like the Saxenda or the um, Ozempic. So Saxenda, I took it every day, and um, Ozempic you take once a week. With this Zepbound, you also take it just once a week. Again, it's four here, and I believe that it's one shot is in each pen. So we'll see. I'll confirm that tomorrow. But there it is, and I was going to tell you something else too. Um, I was going to tell you something else about the differences with the medications. But Zepbound is the weight loss medication for, if you've heard of Manjaro, it is that is specifically for diabetics, and then this is for weight loss, specifically for weight loss. So we'll see how I do on it. I wanted to take this journey, have a community that can help to keep me accountable, and that can kind of go on a journey with me. And for those of you who are also or either considering it, my hope is that this will be helpful information. I'll let you know if I have any side effects like nausea or constipation or diarrhea, anything, stomach cramping, anything that happens, I will share it with you, as well as my weight loss. So I will, give you my stats each time and share with you on how I'm doing. So I hope that this is helpful, and I will continue to share this journey on this new weight loss medication. As you will have heard in my first video, is that I have tried just about everything. Been on Weight Watchers so many times, and have been on LA Weight Loss. I've done the prepackaged meals. I've done so much, but I still struggle with my weight, and it is impacted. It's causing other health issues. So I have an amazing team, and this is what they prescribe for me. And I will let you know how it goes. And I'm excited to have you on this journey with me. All right. I'm signing out for now. Take care. And we'll see you soon. Bye bye.